Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover deactivated Instagram account. If your Instagram account was deactivated or temporarily disabled, you can easily reactivate it again by logging in. However, if your account was deleted, you won't be able to restore it. If you can't log in, you can send an appeal to Instagram supports team or troubleshoot common errors. So, in this video, I will show you how to activate your Instagram account and appeal a disabled account on your computer or mobile device. So first, you need to reactivating an account. If you temporarily deactivated your Instagram account, it usually takes a few hours for Instagram to finish the process. During this time, you won't be able to reactivate your account. If your account has been deactivated for more than a day, you should be able to log back in without any trouble. If you choose to delete your Instagram account, you won't be able to reactivate it. Your only option is to create a new account and then open the Instagram app. If you uninstalled Instagram, you can easily reinstall it from the App Store or Play Store. And then enter your username, email address, or phone number. And then tap Login. It's at the bottom of the screen as long as your login credentials are correct. This will reactivate your Instagram account. Depending on how long your Instagram account has been deactivated, you may have to accept updated terms of use or verify your phone number before you can proceed to your account. And the other option, troubleshooting login issues. Try to log in with your email or phone number. If attempting to log in with your username isn't working, consider using your email address or your phone number. Likewise, you might try logging in with your username if you usually use your email or phone number. Your password needs to be correct regardless of your selected login credentials. And then reset your password. If you can't remember the correct password for your Instagram account, you can reset it from your phone or computer. And then turn off your phone's Wi-Fi when logging in. If the Instagram app, not your login information, is the problem, using cellular data instead of Wi-Fi can resolve some login issues. And then use different platform to access Instagram. Your phone may have cache information which is preventing you from logging into your account. If so, using different phone, computer, or browser to log in to your account may fix this problem. And then uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app. In some cases, reinstalling Instagram will resolve login issues caused by the app. If your Instagram app is out of date, doing this will also make sure that you have the most recent version of the app. And the last, consider whether you violated Instagram terms of use. If you're receiving a message that says your account doesn't exist, your account may have been deleted by Instagram due to a terms of use violation. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.